This green clover grass tastes like sweet summer honey today.
Eat well, little sheep. The golden sun is high and warm. Keep grazing, Bella. My sharp ears are listening for any danger. Look at them. So soft, so plump, so absolutely delicious. Oops! A dry twig snapped under my heavy paw. Woof! 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 Stay away, shadow monster! I see you! Grrr. Those pesky dogs never take a nap. I am starving!
Barnaby, why are your teeth so sharp compared to my flat teeth?
Dogs are carnivores, Bella. We need sharp teeth to grip and tear things. You are a herbivore, so your flat teeth are for grinding hard grass leaves.
Wow! Flat teeth for grass, sharp teeth for meat. Nature is smart.
Let's check your English. What kind of animal is Bella?
Running makes me too tired. There must be another sneaky way. A dangerous plan is forming inside my furry head now. Look there. An old, dry sheepskin coat is sitting in mud. This I see won my golden ticket inside. Ouch. This dry wool is very scratchy against my skin. Bah. No, too deep. Bah. Yes, perfect lamb voice. I look like the sweetest, fluffiest little lamb in the world. Huh? Come along, little ones. Time to stay safe for the night. Stay calm. Just walk slow and wiggle like a normal sheep. Don't sniff my nose, dog. Just look at my white wool skin. 1, 2, 3. Blimey. All 20 sheep are inside the gate. I did it! I am officially inside the dinner box.
Good night, friends. The stars are very bright and peaceful tonight.
They are sleeping. Now is my perfect chance to choose one. Tonight, the candy monster, the wolf monster, wins this game. Got you! Do not make a single sound in the dark. Good morning, flock. Let us count our happy family numbers. 1, 2, 3. 19? One sheep is completely missing. I smell wild wolf tracks right here on the dirt floor, Master.
New lamb, why are you sweating so much in the cool morning air?
Bah! The morning sun is just very hot for my thick wool skin.
Why does your wool feel so dry and dead compared to mine?
I forgot to wash my wool skin in the river puddle yesterday, Bah.
Luke, How does a sheep grow such beautiful curly wool on its body?
Wool grows continuously to trap warm air next to your skin. It keeps you warm in winter storms.
Blah blah science talk. I just want it to stop scratching me. This game is too easy. I can eat a fresh dinner every night. Tonight, I will choose an even larger and fatter one. Thud! Open the gate, good shepherd, in the king's name.
Who could be knocking at my wooden gate at this late hour? We have been hunting in the dark forest all day, sir.
We found nothing. We are starving. Sell us one fat sheep for a feast. Oh no! A feast? They want to eat a sheep tonight?
A guest shall never go hungry at my gate, brave sirs. Let me enter the fold and find the heaviest one for you.
Stay still, sheep. Do not move or breathe an inch.
It is too dark to see. I must use my hands to feel.
Let us feel who is the heaviest and thickest of the bunch. Aha! This one feels quite large and very heavy. Perfect.
Don't howl. Don't breathe. If I speak, the secret is finished.
Wait! Stop! I am not a mutton chop. I am a wolf!
A wild wolf was hiding inside my safe fold? You wore a sneaky mask to steal from this kind man. It was just a costume. I am a theater actor. Goodbye, nice meadow. Barnaby! Catch that sneaky thief! Do not let him escape! Oof! Oof! Your trick is finished, monster! Bite his tail! My tail. The sharp teeth are too close to my body. No more sheepskin. No more meadow. I am going back to berries.
The sneaky trickster is gone, and our field is beautiful again.
Honesty is always the safest path in this big world, Bella.
Why do tricks and sneaky masks always lead people into big trouble?
Because a mask cannot change who you are on the inside, Bella. Lies create an unstable life.
I love being a real white sheep. No masks for me, Luke.
Here is some sweet fruit for the best sheep team in country. Our Emerald Meadow is the safest and happiest team in the world.
He wore a mask to eat our family, but his sneaky trick turned into his own emergency trap. Look at all the busy market people walking down the dirt lane.
Hello, sweet sheep. I am a prince from the high mountain castle.
If you are a high prince, why are your hooves covered in mud?
My royal carriage horse broke its wheel in the puddle path. We know your real face, Billy. You are the fruit thief from market.
True or false? Goats have solid hooves, like horses?
Another trickster mask is ruined by our smart dog radar.
You are becoming a very wise and watchful explorer sheep, Bella.
Luke, how do wild goats climb those high, steep mountain rocks safely?
The inside of the hoof is soft like rubber, creating a giant amount of friction. It acts like a real mountain climbing shoe.
Built-in rubber climbing shoes. Nature gives the best tools to everyone.
A cold winter wind is blowing. The big snowstorm is coming close. We must prepare our winter food storage so nobody goes hungry.
My keratin coat is fully grown now, and I feel very cozy and warm.
My thick winter fur is protecting my skin from the freezing air ice.
The forest has no berries. I am freezing to death. Please open the lock, Luke. I promise I will not bite anyone. We cannot let a living creature freeze in a dangerous winter storm.
Drink this hot soup near the firebox, but stay outside the flock. Thank you. Your real kindness is better than any sneaky trick skin.
True kindness does not wear a mask. It just helps when things are dark. Spring is here! The Emerald Meadow is full of yellow flowers again.
Our safety team has 2 new junior captains on the field today.
Happy Spring Festival, family! The king sent a big prize box.
This silver whistle is for our brave protector captain, Barnaby.
This star medal will reflect the summer sun beautifully every day.
No more masks for me. Honest berry picking is a peaceful life.
We have a beautiful home story to tell our babies tonight, Luke.
Our Emerald Meadow is the strongest and most honest team I know.
The sun shines bright and warm over the beautiful green fields today.